here on this Saturday evening. I apologize. I'm wearing my overtop here as we just got off the air and we just had a chance to hear the information that was passed to us by the FDA. Breaking news tonight, the FDA has approved on an emergency basis the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, something that had been in clinical trials for the last few weeks. If you remember, yesterday the vaccine was approved by an FDA panel, recommended to the FDA, and it has been approved officially for emergency use authorization. What that means is, just like the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine now can be distributed to places around the United States and can be used for vaccine distribution. So we have Pfizer, we have Moderna, and now we have Johnson & Johnson. Here is where the difference comes in. As many of you know, the Pfizer and Moderna two-shot vaccines. One dose is needed for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, still a vaccine that has proven to be upwards of 90+% effective against the coronavirus. We were talking to a couple of our experts on Tuesday with our vaccine Q&A, and they were talking to us about the fact that they think the Johnson & Johnson vaccine could be instrumental in getting more mass vaccination clinics, bridging the vaccine out to rural areas, making sure the inner city of Erie has the ability to receive the vaccine at a quicker rate. And quite frankly, once you get it, you're done. So if you're on the list for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, there is no second appointment you have to schedule. It's one dose and that's it. So a lot of differences with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine compared to the other two, but we did have two and now we have three vaccines to fight the coronavirus as the FDA gives that emergency approval for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. We're going to obviously have a lot more to cover with this coming up tonight for Erie News Now weekends at 11 o'clock. Is it safe? Are there side effects? What's the difference beside the number of doses? A lot of questions that you have. We're going to try to answer them as best we can tonight with our vaccine coverage. So again, that's the big question of the evening is how safe are they? How effective are they? And when can they get to Erie County, Pennsylvania, so that places such as AHN St. Vincent, UPMC Hospital, and other areas as well that distribute vaccines can get that out to people in Erie and the surrounding area. We're going to have a lot more on this tonight at Erie News Now at 11, as well as our social media pages throughout the evening as we continue along our coverage. But for now, everybody stay safe and stay healthy and make sure to make it a great Saturday. This has been